Money Magnets. Skyla Credit Union has $25,000 credit card limits that can beat PenFed Credit Union.
Hey, you guys, I can't wait to jump into the limits that they have and also how easy it is to join this credit union.
Okay, Marvin, let's dive into the first card that they offer. Okay, it's the Platinum Rewards card. Now, this
Okay.
card comes with a lot of benefits, okay, Money Magnets. So, the first benefit on this card is it gives you 2 times the reward points, okay? So, that's pretty good for every dollar that you spend. The next thing, it gives you a 10,000 bonus reward points. And Marvin and I talk about this all the time. It has a 0% APR for the first 12 months. Now, that can most definitely be a cash flow changer for you because if you have some credit cards with a high limit, this is a good way for you to do that balance transfer and get some of that interest rate knocked off. Okay. So, Marvin, let's go into the next card that this amazing bank offers.
All right. Also, you got the platinum rewards. It also goes up to 25,000. It offers a 0% APR for 12 months for balance transfers, which is great. Like Gloria said, if you got a high utilization, you're paying a lot of interest on other credit cards, Skyla would be great to transfer those balances. And now you don't have to pay any interest for 1 year. Also, they have cell phone protection. If you lose your cell phone, you can get it protected by the insurance plan they have. And they got auto rental collision, which is great if you travel a lot and you happen to have a wreck while you're, traveling. We had a friend of ours that visited us in Puerto Rico, and guess what? They had a small accident. But Gloria, let's tell the people about the secure card that they can get into as well.
Okay, now Marvin, I love this secure card because majority of the time secure cards only go up to like $500,
Right.
or $1,000. They give you like low limits, okay? But with this particular secure card, it goes up to $25,000. And I love that for my money magnets. And it gives you a 25-day grace period on all your purchases. So I love that too. And it gives you the digital wallet feature. So this right here is really a game changer. It also allows you to use this card as an overdraft protection as well on your checking account. So a lot of times, we don't get all of these benefits when we're talking about secure cards, but
Yeah.
this particular institution offers this. And I love that, Marvin. So let's go ahead and dive into the other products that they can also get with this wonderful credit union.
All right, Gloria. They also offer a personal loan and a
Okay.
personal line of credit. So the
Okay.
difference is a loan, you're going to get one lump sum, and they got fixed rates as low as 12.9%. And they got a line of credit where you can use it, pay it off, use it, pay it off.
Yeah.
Also, they have a variable rate as low as 12.9%. Now, you can get the loan for up to 60 months. You can use this for like debt consolidation, medical expenses,
Yeah.
paying off credit cards or debt, even home remodeling projects. So this is a loan that you can use for anything. Or if you choose to have a line of credit because you're going to use it, pay it off, you can opt to get the line of credit as well. So for both of these products, it's great. And I'm sure they give a nice limit. So as you guys get approved for this, or if you already do business with Skyla, please drop some comments below about your experience. So Gloria, let's jump over to the auto loan and tell them more about that.
Okay, so this is the part that I really, really love, Marvin, is with the auto loan, the interest rate is really, really low. This right here is the real cash flow changer, Marvin. They give you 90 days to pay your first payment. Now,
Wow.
if you guys are shopping for a new car, I will most definitely look at this credit union because those extra 90 days can really, really help you. When, typically, Marvin, you have to go and pay your car note 30 days after you purchase the car. Sometimes it can
Got
be
it.
25 days, but with this particular credit union, you have 90 full days before your first note is due. So that gives you room to get, set up because sometimes we may be in a situation where we need a new car right away. This right
Right.
here will give you that cushion. And then it also gives you the opportunity to get the car that you want. So
Yeah.
Marvin, this is something that I want you money magnets to keep in mind. Take a look at this credit union, dig a little bit deeper because like I'm telling you, these benefits right here can most definitely make a difference in your cash flow.
All right. Sounds good, Gloria. They also have mortgages. you can
Mhm.
get a 15 or a 30-year mortgage with Skyla. They also have a loan called the Welcome Home Loan, which goes up to $760,000 with no
Wow.
PMI required. So that's pretty good. So I would talk to the mortgage specialist to see which one is best for you, whether it be a FHA loan or a conventional loan. But they also have an adjustable rate loan with a 7-year arm. Now, if you guys know about adjustable rates, you can kind of choose the payment that you want. Sometimes they can be interest only. They're great if you're in the medical profession, like if you're a doctor or a dentist starting out before your practice is built up. ARM can be good. And also, they have land loans in case you want to build your home. So, Gloria, I think this credit union, from anything personal, they have it. We going from credit cards to personal
Mhm.
loans, auto loans, and home loans. And the great thing, Gloria, let's do a recap and tell them how they join.
So, guys, we talk about this all the time. You can join with the American Consumer Council. Now, with this particular organization, if you join this organization, you can join multiple credit unions. So, keep that in mind. You only need to join one time, and you can purchase a lifetime membership with them. And there's a code that you can use where it can be absolutely free. This right here opens up the doors for you to go to different credit unions, because remember, guys, credit unions are all about community building. So they want you to do well. That's why they have all of these amazing credit building programs. Okay. The other thing is they do pull Equifax. So you
Yeah.
want to make sure that your Equifax is unlocked. Okay. And I would try to have at least a 700 plus credit score when you're looking at joining these credit unions to get the best interest rate. If you are a new beginner just rebuilding your credit, you still can look at these credit unions because they all have, especially this particular credit union, they have secure cards and they have programs to help you rebuild and re-jumpstart your credit.
And also, Gloria, don't forget, they may pull check systems. So try not to join a lot of banks or a lot of credit unions in a short period of time. I would
Mhm.
try to have less than 3 inquiries on
Yeah.
my Equifax and less than 3 inquiries on my check systems, because you can get automatically denied by
Yeah.
having too many inquiries. It looks like you're doing a lot of shopping.
And also check your early warning report, because early warning is just like check systems. And a lot of times credit unions do pull early warning. Sometimes they pull check systems. Okay. And the other thing, Marvin, that I want the money magnets to keep in mind is make sure you look at which credit union or which bank is going to best suit your situation. Marvin and I have several videos on different credit unions. So do your research on which credit union is going to best suit your situation.
Hey, and look, guys, if you have a business or you're
Mhm.
starting a business and you want to raise capital, but you're a little bit confused about it, remember, we offer a free business strategy call. So make
Yes.
sure that you contact us so we can help you raise that capital you need. Don't make the mistake that most business owners make, and they don't raise enough capital and end up going out of business.
Okay, Marvin, I have a gym.
Okay.
If you want to know more of PenFed secrets that they don't want you to know, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith,
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
and we're here to help empower your finances.